we show you how to fry an egg sunny side up. Warm a non-stick frying pan on medium heat. You can choose whether to use butter or oil, either work well. Drop in about a teaspoon of butter. Spread it around by moving the pan or using a spatula. Crack your egg on the side of the pan. If you use oil, use about a teaspoon. Our favorite is avocado oil. Shake the pan a little so the egg doesn't stick. When the egg is almost, but not completely cooked, add a pinch of salt. If you salt the egg at the beginning, it changes the color of the yolk. This may or may not matter to you. Transfer to a plate and eat while your egg is still nice and hot. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and please give us a thumbs up. Boiled eggs and poached eggs are also delicious, and we have some great videos on how to make them.